Fuck.
Have you ever considered producing porn? I'm thinking John Buttman Stagliano style. You are obsessed with porn, ass and looking hot girls. Jas doesn't mind you being with other girls, plus she won't let you do anal. Tons of sex, with no strings attached, cool face.
No, it's not for me. Yeah, I know what's entailed with porn production, and it's not for me. I'm not the kind of person who enjoys having sex when there's not really any romance involved. I have to actually like the person. On top of that, there's a lot of weird issues with porn production. There's a lot of like crazy fucking wacko women who do porn who will not show up on set on time, who literally will not show up, ruin entire shoots. Just a lot of strange shit. Thanks for that donation, though, Richard, or Rich Buttman Stagliano.